old building. This is a pretty building. This is in Omaha, Nebraska. Let's see what elevators. Oh, man. They're modded, or it's modded. I wonder if there's a service elevator here. I'm gonna look for that next. We'll film this though. Well, at least the cab is nice. Oh, this was a Dover. Dover Impulse, probably. Yeah, it was a Dover. Yup, Dover Impulse. Those are locked. 5. Traction or hydro? Traction. That's an old notifier pulse station. This was Westinghouse before it was Dover. Interesting. No problem. And there it goes. And you can definitely tell it was Dover by the brand.